Australia loves dogs. We have one of the highest rates of pet ownership in the world, and 1 in 2 households has at least one dog. But are they good for our health? Mental health is the second most common reason cited for getting a dog, after companionship. And many of us say we feel healthier for having a dog and let them sleep in our bedroom. Here's what it means for our physical and mental health to share our homes and dunas with our canine companions. Are there physical health benefits to having a dog? Having a dog is linked to lower risk of death over the long term. In 2019, a systematic review gathered evidence published over 70 years, involving nearly 4 million individual medical cases. It found people who owned a dog had a 24% lower risk of dying from any cause compared to those who did not own a dog. Dog ownership was linked to increased physical activity. This lowered blood pressure and helped reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. The review found for those with previous heart-related medical issues, such as heart attack, living with a dog reduced their subsequent risk of dying by 35% compared to people with the same history but no dog. Another recent UK study found adult dog owners were almost 4 times as likely to meet daily physical activity targets as non-owners. Children in households with a dog were also more active and engaged in more unstructured play compared to children whose family didn't have a dog. Exposure to dirt and microbes carried in from outdoors may also strengthen immune systems and lead to less use of antibiotics in young children who grow up with dogs. Health risks. However, dogs can also pose risks to our physical health. One of the most common health issues for pet owners is allergies. Dog saliva, urine, and dander, the skin cells they shed, can trigger allergic reactions resulting in a range of symptoms, from itchy eyes and runny nose to breathing difficulties. A recent meta-analysis pooled data from nearly 2 million children. Findings suggested early exposure to dogs may increase the risk of developing asthma, although not quite as much as having a cat does. The child's age, how much contact they have with the dog, and their individual risk all play a part. Slips, trips, and falls are another risk. More people fall over due to dogs than cats. Having a dog can also expose you to bites and scratches, which may become infected and pose a risk for those with compromised immune systems. And they can introduce zoonotic diseases into your home, including ringworm and Campylobacter, a disease that causes diarrhea. For those sharing the bed, there is an elevated the risk of allergies and picking up ringworm. It may result in lost sleep, as dogs move around at night. On the other hand, some owners report feeling more secure while co-sleeping with their dogs, with the emotional benefit outweighing the possibility of sleep disturbance or waking up with flea bites. Proper veterinary care and hygiene practices are essential to minimize these risks. What about mental health? Many people know the benefits of having a dog are not only physical. As companions, dogs can provide significant emotional support, helping to alleviate symptoms of anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress. Their presence may offer comfort and a sense of purpose to individuals facing mental health challenges. Loneliness is a significant and growing public health issue in Australia. In the dog park and your neighborhood, dogs can make it easier to strike up conversations with strangers and make new friends. These social interactions can help build a sense of community belonging and reduce feelings of social isolation. For older adults, dog walking can be a valuable loneliness intervention that encourages social interaction with neighbors, while also combating declining physical activity. However, if you're experiencing chronic loneliness, it may be hard to engage with other people during walks. An Australian study found simply getting a dog was linked to decreased loneliness. People reported an improved mood, possibly due to the benefits of strengthening bonds with their dog. What are the drawbacks? While dogs can bring immense joy and numerous health benefits, there are also downsides and challenges. The responsibility of caring for a dog, especially one with behavioral issues or health problems, can be overwhelming and create financial stress. Dogs have shorter lifespans than humans, and the loss of a beloved companion can lead to depression or exacerbate existing mental health conditions. Lifestyle compatibility and housing conditions also play a significant role in whether having a dog is a good fit. The so-called pet effect suggests that pets, often dogs, improve human physical and mental health in all situations and for all people. The reality is more nuanced. For some, having a pet may be more stressful than beneficial. Importantly, the animals that share our homes are not just tools for human health. Owners and dogs can mutually benefit when the welfare and well-being of both are maintained.